You're probably watching this video because you want to improve your bass playing, and you might be wondering whether my bass beginner's guide is what you need. So in this video I'll explain briefly what the ebook is all about. It contains over 120 pages and has all you need to learn the basics for bass technique, scales and arpeggios, starting to read music including understanding notation and rhythm, setting up a good bass tone including tips for gear, basses and strings. There's a chapter at the beginning for absolute beginners, but the bulk of the ebook is really useful for beginners and intermediate players looking to improve on their music theory and reading skills, along with a greater understanding of essential scales and arpeggios. Don't be put off by the word beginner in the title, because this ebook is also perfect for bassists who have been playing for a while but want to improve on their music theory specific to bass playing. This ebook comes with MP3 recordings of all the musical examples contained in the ebook, and you can get this as a free download. I've used handy fret diagrams throughout this ebook to help illustrate how to play the musical examples, and there are also photos throughout the guide to help you with posture and correct technique. You can purchase the ebook from the products page of my website gbshed.com, and if you're viewing this video on YouTube then the link to that is below in the description. Upon purchase you'll be sent a digital copy of the ebook, and this can be viewed on your iPad, laptop, home computer or phone. It can also be printed out if you prefer this. There are also links in the ebook where you can download the MP3s and extra bonus material. Please let me know if you need any more information about the Bass Beginner Guide. You can do this by emailing me on the contact page of gbshed.com. Well, I hope this ebook proves useful to you, and I'd love to hear any feedback that you have.